What's up guys, it's Console Boy and I'm back at it again with another Maya video. This is part 2. The first video I done on Maya was about my Walker AT, which was pretty much very basic. It just had a great texture on it. Most of the stuff wasn't even completed back then, and over the past couple of weeks I've updated my progress with this model and I've made so many changes that this actually looks like really good and extremely presentable. So you can see off the bat right now that this entire robot has been textured, hence the title. Over the last couple of weeks I've been searching for different designs of which my walker could be suited towards, and before even making this walker robot I decided I would do like a nice orange, white and a grey themed robot. And the way I've applied the textures onto this robot is really simple. I've done nothing major with going into the UV texture editor, applying some skins or anything very serious about this robot. It's very basic and very bare bone. It's just simple colors, orange, grey and white added onto the robot itself, and I will show you guys how I did it. And right now you can see the entire robot looks pretty mean and pretty nice, especially after doing so much of modeling the legs and the entire top part and the head. Texturing was really easy and it only took me a couple of days at most. I didn't do the robot for at least a week or two because I was really busy with other assignments, but once I got time to do the texturing of this robot, I just got it done and now I'm really happy with it, and I believe this is going to be the final robot design that will most likely be edited for animation. So the way I apply texture to this robot is very basic and takes literally no time at all once you know what you're doing. I first selected the object I want to texture, assign new material, select the Lambert option, and it makes the whole object grey. Don't worry about that. You see the color area. Now I press onto that checkered box, select the file option, and now once you're inside of the file option, now you go to the image name, and under source images, if you set your project window, you should now have your images or even colors that you would like to use as textures. So I already have some. I have carbon, I have grey, I have orange and I have white, the things I actually want, and it should automatically color in or texture your object you have selected. Now moving on, I'm gonna quickly move this forward because I don't want to waste any more time talking about textures, because what I've done is pretty simple. There's nothing really special. This is another part you can also do, so highlighting all the faces. Before I've done this one object, now I'm highlighting different faces individually. Once I've got the faces, go to assign existing material, and from the materials I already have, I just select orange, and there it is. I have the orange texture applied to the faces I wanted, and it looks pretty awesome from this angle. Yes, there's some different variations you can have. There's so many combinations, variations of textures you can apply to your model, making it stand out and look extremely special due to the way you've designed on Photoshop that you later done on Maya. So to be honest, that's about it. There's nothing that I can talk about explaining textures even more. Yes, there's so many tutorials on YouTube which you can find, but overall for my robot, as I said many times, it's very basic, doesn't need that many textures on it in the first place, and the way I've designed it is also suitable to my scenario. You can see the wheel is split up into two colors, orange, white and the screw being black. The hinge has been colored in one texture, which is grey. The foot part was actually made as one texture on Photoshop, so I had to export the UV map and edit it in Photoshop so I can get this nice split design. Of course I could have done it manually, but just to showcase that I can also do it with the texture UV editor map, I've done it that way, and that's about it really. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the robot itself, how it's looking right now currently with its updated textures. It looks really awesome in my opinion. I really love the design. In the future I will be animating this, and that will probably be part 3. So yeah, if you like the video, please leave a like down below. If you want to give me feedback, please comment, and that's about it. Peace out.
Hold on to me.